Morning. Yes.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 4, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, here in this case, we are supposed to file additional affidavit.
Correct.
Yes,
Who is filing additional affidavit?
my lord, on our side, my lord.
You want some time?
Yes, my lord.
As prayed for by Mr.
El Kurdu.
El
Kurdu.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner lists this matter after 2 weeks to enable the petitioner to file the additional affidavit in the matter.
Grateful, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 3, which is anticipatory bail. My lord, I'm item number 3.
Yes. What do you want?
My lord, I'm allowed to withdraw the
Withdraw?
Yes.
Your name?
Deepangu.
Hmm?
Deepangu.
Your name is not mentioned here.
No, I'm appearing on behalf of father.
Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has received instructions from the client not to press the anticipatory bail application. Stop. Accordingly, he seeks withdrawal of the same. In view of the aforesaid endorsement made by the learned counsel of the petitioner, the anticipatory bail application stands disposed of on withdrawal. You also record presence of Mr. APP. Yes, next. Disposed of. Yes, what is this? CRP? Money execution.
By this CRP, we have challenged the other pass in the money execution, Lordship, whereby the civil warrant of arrest has been issued against me, Lordship. Here in this case, before going to the impugned order, Lordship, I would like to bring some facts to this honorable court, Lordship. Here in this case, the petitioner was a proprietor of a farm. Was a proprietor of a farm, and he, being a proprietor of the farm in the year 2013, availed a loan from the respondent bank, Lordship. The loan amount was 10 crore. At the time of sanctioning the loan, a equitable mortgage.
What is that you want from this court today?
Because I want
this court is not going to stay the execution proceedings.
Stay the impugned order, Lordship.
There are various decisions of the apex court where you know
here my property is mortgaged
as regards staying execution proceedings. Yes, which is the order 12/4/24.
Yes, page 52, Lordship.
You want stay of this order?
Yes, Lordship. 12/4/2024. Civil prison has been imprisonment has been issued. The property is already with the bank.
Warrant of arrest was issued.
Yes, Lordship. Civil warrant of arrest.
But this was done because you have not paid the 10 lakhs. There was some agreement.
No, there was no agreement. Actually, I undertook to sell the property and thereafter pay the bank. Thereafter, I unable to sell property, and the property already mortgaged with the bank. Bank may anytime is at liberty to attest and sell my property. I have no objection. I have already written in the application before passing of this order.
The next date is 10th May.
10th May.
So, I am issuing notice, putting the matter on the next week. In the meantime, I'm not, we will consider the prayer for stay on the next date. You have time. 10th May is your next date.
No, Lordship, what happened, Lordship? They have already paid the money.
Let the bank be here.
Already paid.
You want to do dusty service?
Lordship,
that shall be also allowed.
Kindly appreciate.
Prayer on the next day.
He is a contesting candidate, Lordship, and he put into civil prison.
You are Mr. Taba?
No, B. Haldar.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. This is a application under Article 227 of the Constitution of India, assailing order dated 12/4/2024 passed by Learned Civil Judge Senior Division, UPIA, in money execution case number 4 of 2020. Stop. Issue notice, returnable on. Yeah, I'll allow. Wait. returnable on
Next,
2nd May,
next month. Monday.
Monday.
Can you remember?
Monday is what date? 29th. Returnable on 29/4/2024. Stop. Steps on respondent 1 and 2, both by registered post and Dusty. Stop. Let an affidavit of service be filed by the next date. Interim to be considered on the next.
They have
date.
a standing counsel here in,
So you serve.
already,
Nobody has appeared.
already served yesterday.
There is a standing counsel.
Yes, already served yesterday.
Why there is no representation then?
I don't know. See.
Uh,
But till then, no coercive action kindly.
nothing.
Because he is a
No,
contesting
it
candidate.
will not
Lordship,
be done.
And
In the meantime, you ensure that on the next date they appear. This matter will
and is no,
consider. Next matter, please. Execution again. This is also same and same. Yes.
My lord, in this case, on the last occasion,
2406/34.
yes, my lord. On the last occasion, we are directed to file an affidavit with regard to the cross case that we have filed in Manipur.
With regard to the cross case.
Yes, my lord. And yesterday we have obtained the copies, and today morning we have filed the affidavit.
You
And-
filed it.
Yes, my lord. Today morning. Most probably it has not come.
So then,
It may be called for. Otherwise, if your lordship want to take it on another date,
CD is there. Are you on interim?
yes, I am on
You're on
it.
interior.
Yes, my lord.
Then we'll have it on Monday or any date. When is it convenient for you?
Next week, any date,
Give me a date.
Friday.
It has been submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the additional affidavit as directed was filed today. Yama, right? It has been submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the additional affidavit as directed by this court has been filed today. Stop. However, the same is not on record. Registry to verify and place the same on record. List on,
Next Friday.
Lordship, I have an objection in this petition, Lordship.
list on
Next Friday.
Friday date. Ms. Counsel, I'm fixing this matter next Friday.
Lordship, this is, they're extending Lordship without any Lordship ground, the interim protection Lordship.
Affidavit has been filed. I'm told.
Lordship, I have got the affidavit Lordship.
You have got it.
Yes, Lordship. We have the affidavit Lordship
Sure.
with us.
Give me a copy of the affidavit. What have they brought to the notice of the court by this office, by this affidavit? Some cross case?
Yes, my lord. Actually,
What
what
cross case?
Actually, what happened, my lord, on 5/2/2024, we are directed to hand over 7 number of blank checks to the IO of this present case. So far, we admit that we have got 2 checks, not the 7 checks. Remaining 5 checks, I am not concerned about that. Regarding these 2 checks, 1 check has been deposited in the cross case in before the CJM in Imphal, with Imphal, my lord. And the second check has been seized by police in Manipur, my lord. As per direction of the CGM, a case has been registered in Lamphel police station in Imphal, my lord. And the
Where is the FIR
FIR is on Annexer 1, my lord.
page?
It is in the main case, my lord.
Yes, yes.
Case 13, my lord.
No, relevant is 17.
Relevant is, yes, my lord.
So some check has been withdrawn.
Yes, my lord.
That is the
Allegation is that 7 checks were missing and 1 check has been used for withdrawing
withdrawal.
7 lakh
That is 7,35,000. That is
35,000.
the allegation.
That is the allegation. my
And
lord.
pursuant to the interim order, they have appeared.
Yes, my lord. We have
Lordship.
Have they been interrogated?
Yes, my lord.
Statements recorded?
Lordship, as per Lordship, first order Lordship,
Hmm.
they have, the interim was granted Lordship. After that, they have asked to appear before the IO for the statement Lordship. And they appeared Lordship.
They
And
appeared.
yes, Lordship. And meantime, they have failed to Lordship submit that missing checks Lordship. After that, another order was passed Lordship. by
Missing checks
dated.
mean the check leaves which are signed.
Yes, Lordship. And
But-
Lordship, another
But
order
in
was,
the meantime, instructions have been given to the bank to not to encash these checks,
Already that's a
Lordship.
stop, my lord. As
correct?
per, as per
Lordship.
their version, my lord.
Correct?
Lordship.
Then-
But Lordship, as per the CD Lordship, they have failed to FA before the IO Lordship. Whatever they have submitted here, they can submit before the IO also.
Counsel, speak slowly.
Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Sorry, Lordship.
Please answer one thing.
Lordship.
Initially, you said that they have appeared before the IO.
Lordship.
Is it correct or not?
Lordship. They have
Pursuant
appeared,
to the
Lordship.
interim order, they have appeared,
Lordship.
right?
Lordship.
Their statements have been recorded by the IO?
Lordship.
Yes. Now, what I got, but you are saying that those missing checks are still in the custody of the accused,
Lordship.
correct?
Lordship.
In the meantime, those checks have been blocked?
Lordship, that thing, Lordship, in the, I have to see the, go to the, this one, Lordship.
Obviously, it must have
Lordship.
been blocked.
And Lordship, that was asked to be blocked, Lordship. Again, Lordship may see, Lordship, there, in the AB, Lordship,
Take a seat.
in the page, Lordship, 17, Lordship,
Page
17,
of the main petition?
Lordship.
Yes,
Here, Lordship, the complainant, Lordship, page 19, Lordship, Annexure A.
Hmm.
The complainant, Lordship, they have written the application before the branch manager,
yes,
Lordship. May I go to Lordship?
yes.
This is inform you the check book was under the custody of one lady, Yangbom Okanda Roy, which is the present applicant during the period from March 2022 to
Yes,
July
unlock
23. Yes,
that check.
Lordship. Yes, sir. There's the following check was found missing, Lordship. That was the check. And the checkbook was handed over to me with good faith. I intimated the bank again to
Who has
unlock the.
written- Who has written this?
This is the complainant, Lordship.
Complainant.
Lordship.
To block the check.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, kindly go to this lines, Lordship. The check was missing, Lordship. That's the following check numbers. And the checkbook was handed over to me with good faith. I intimated the bank again to unlock the check service to the which the bank manager already said that the old checkbook cannot be opened back and new fresh checkbook should be applied and accordingly I applied for the same which I am still waiting eagerly, Lordship.
So therefore, those checks cannot be used.
Lordship, but one person named this Lordship. After that, Lordship, he's withdrawn, Lordship, this 7,35,000 only from yesterday night only, Lordship. Lordship, that is Lordship. Again, they have withdrawn, Lordship. And Lordship, that's why, Lordship, this withdrawn amount is
No, this 7,35,000.
Lordship.
That is because the entire FIR is because of this.
No,
incident.
that's why, Lordship. That's why,
Correct.
Lordship. That's
Correct.
why, Lordship. That's why, Lordship. When he, that was blocked, Lordship. But again, they have withdrawn, Lordship.
See, it was not blocked, it was
Those-
unblocked.
That's why, Lordship.
As the checkbook
Was handed to
over
me with good faith.
I intimated the bank again to unblock.
Yes, Lordship.
The word is unblock.
Lordship.
Now, it can always be blocked.
It's unblocked. That's why, Lordship.
No, my lord. May I-
Yes, you can clarify.
Yes. The next line, it is written that,
It's
The-
old, therefore it cannot be used.
yes, my lord,
No,
already.
but in that case, how on that same night, the 7,35,000 was
No,
withdrawn?
no, the
Yes,
case
well,
is total,
Lordship.
the case is totally different, my lord. The petitioner, initially he was the general manager of that particular resort, my lord. Then what happened, in January 2022, he joined the resort on April 2020 during the COVID. In January 22, he was asked by the proprietor of that resort,
Do you
to-
have the copies of these checks or not?
we have already deposited in our process in Manipur, my lord, in court.
Where
One
is
check-
that statement?
Today we have filed a.
Where is that statement? Show me.
Yes, my lord.
They have applied this thing before the court also, Lordship. And court has granted
One
time.
second, one second.
Annexure 9, my lord.
Page.
Page, 50. It starts from 58.
58.
Yes, my lord. Of today's affidavit, my lord.
Today's affidavit doesn't have any 58 page. It
Yes,
is 30 last pages.
That is the main petition, my lord. Bail application.
This is the IA.
IA is for
Yes,
modification of the order, my lord, by which I was directed to hand over the 7/6, my lord.
You were directed to hand over the check.
Yes, my lord. We have filed the IA on the last occasion, my lord.
And today's affidavit?
Today affidavit, we are directed to file an affidavit with regard to those
So that
present status.
affidavit you have.
No, Lordship, that I had
no,
not.
no,
my
no.
lord.
The difficulty is that this court was therefore, please hear out the court
Yes,
first.
Lordship,
First of all, you had come late. You
Lordship,
came
I'm
and you
sorry.
straight away started submitting.
I'm sorry, Lordship, for that.
First, understand what is happening in the court. I understand the anxiety,
Lordship,
but you see, you have to also understand what is happening,
Lordship,
isn't it? This court is not going to pass any adverse orders without hearing the counsels.
Lordship.
The fact is
Lordship,
that,
for the first time, I have seen the PP behaving like that.
no, please don't make these kind of statements in court. See, they have filed an affidavit in pursuant to some directions given by this court. That affidavit is not before the court today because that affidavit has been filed today, right?
Lordship.
In the meantime, you have a look at the affidavit
Yes, my lord.
and we post it. You want it on Monday, we will post the case on
Lordship, Monday, Lordship, Lordship.
Yes, Monday. We'll do it on Monday.
You have written that last order. Can you read it out for the benefit of the APP who had come late? Please read it out. You want me to dictate again? It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that an additional affidavit has been filed today pursuant to the
Order dated 12
order dated 12
4
4 2024 passed by this court. Stop. However, the same is not on record. Let the registry verify and place the same on record. In the meantime, the state may file its objection to the additional affidavit if they so desire. Stop. List this matter on
Monday, Lordship.
29 so and so. Interim order passed earlier shall continue till then.
Apologize, Lordship, for being late, Lordship.
No, that's all
For the
right.
traffic, Lordship.
I understand your thing, but just be little aware.
Lordship, this is the
Because-
Lordship longest AB Lordship, the
No
interim was
problem.
Lordship.
You see, have a look at the additional affidavit. First of all, bail is not punishment,
Lordship,
correct?
that's Lordship.
Bail is only to secure the
No, sir.
appearance of the accused at the trial by a reasonable amount.
No,
That is
sir.
the object of the bail.
Lordship,
So if you have materials to show that, you know, the antecedents and that he shall not participate in the trial, anything like that, then you show us.
I think,
That is all. But offense, it appears they have already his statement. has
Lordship,
been
this AB
recorded.
Lordship, if investigation could not be completed, Lordship, because they are not cooperating, Lordship,
So
that's the
that
Lordship.
show all that. If
Lordship.
required, you file an affidavit.
Lordship,
Otherwise, as of now, what I have seen, let me be very frank.
Lordship.
This court is inclined to grant an AB because it appears that the petitioner has already appeared, and the only thing is that there are missing checks. Those can be blocked because they are saying by filing an additional affidavit that these have been already submitted before another court in Manipur.
Yes, my lord.
So
Like
if
one has
that
been
is
seized by
so,
police.
from where can he give it to the IO?
Yes, my
Lordship,
lord.
we'll see in the
So
Monday,
you
Lordship.
check all that because
Lordship.
you are an officer of the court,
Lordship,
right?
Lordship.
The whole idea of criminal proceeding is we all are trying for these, we are all going in one direction.
Lordship.
That is justice. So just find out if you
Lordship.
need them for further interrogation, definitely this court will not grant the AB.
Lordship.
Lordship, with regard to the date fixed on Monday, if my friend wishes to file any objection, then again on Monday it will.
No, you don't worry, fix your Monday. You have
If
any
necessary, then I'll
difficulty to
file
come
objection,
forward, you
Lordship.
can appear through VC.
Lordship.
Okay.
All right.
If necessary, only Lordship, otherwise
That's
I'll go
right,
to
if
the
necessary. I
airport.
have said
Lordship.
only if necessary.
Lordship, oblige.
NDPS. Here,
May I please, my lord?
Mr. Tadu, the LCR has not come.
Yes,
I think LCR was called. Yes, yes.
Well, in this case, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. S. Jiram. He is not feeling well today.
this is jail
Last
appeal,
occasion,
jail appeal,
she is legal aid.
legal aid counsel.
She is the legal aid counsel.
She is the legal aid
Yes,
counsel.
she is supposed to file an application for condonation of delay in this appeal.
That is yet to be filed.
Yes, my lord. She desires to file, so she is seeking 1
Okay.
week time.
It is submitted on behalf of the legal aid counsel that an application for condonation is required to be filed in the matter.
Yes.
Stop. Accordingly, some accommodation is sought for. Prayer is not opposed. List this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Oblige.
Deeply obliged.
You file in the meantime.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, respondent,
My lord, I am appearing for the respondent.
you have filed a wakalatnama, Mr.
My lord,
Patil.
I have raised the question of maintainability, and on the last occasion, my last direction is that today,
You filed anything?
no, my lord. I have sought liberty. If it is not, if it is held that it is maintainable, then I have sought.
What is your argument on maintainability?
My lord, they have
No, but
basically.
if you have raised an issue of maintainability,
Yes, my lord.
is it not required that the same be raised by and way of an affidavit so that the other side gets?
No,
a
I have
chance?
already this was filed long back, my lord. It was filed long back.
You have filed
Yes,
an affidavit of objection,
yes, my lord. Preliminary objections I have
or you
filed.
have filed?
Yes.
Lordship, I have not received a copy.
No, we have served.
So is it after? No, there is only one order.
It was filed on 3rd March.
3rd March.
Madam, as per my records, madam.
So you give him a copy? Because the question of maintainability has to be first decided,
Madam.
correct?
Yes.
Now, since petitioner is saying that he has not received a copy, let me not get into those controversial issues. Best you give him a copy, we can have it next week.
Yes, madam. I'll submit.
Yes, your name?
Thank
Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has not received the copy of the objection filed by the respondent as regards the maintainability of the petition. Stop. Mr. So-and-so learned counsel is requested to furnish the copy of the affidavit of objection to the petitioner, to the learned counsel for the petitioner within the course of the day. Stop. List this matter
Second, madam.
on
Second or third?
third will be difficult.
Second.
On 2/5/2024 for deciding the question of maintainability raised in this petition.
you.
For considering, huh? Yeah, ma, for considering. Yes, petitioner is not there.
No, Lordship.
This
It's a
is for
criminal
quashing an
petition.
FIR.
Lordship, there's a joint settlement, Lordship.
There is a settlement.
Lordship.
Where is the petitioner? If the petitioner is here, we can dispose it of.
Lordship.
Mr. P. Tamin. You know him? You know
Yes,
that?
Lordship.
You can ask him to be here.
He has
You
not come today, Lordship. He's absent. Even his junior, I could not see, Lordship.
He's not there.
Not Lordship.
I'll fix it on Monday.
Lordship.
None appears for the petitioner when called. List this matter on Monday. You inform.
Lordship.
Await service report. Yes, service.
Yes, my lord.
Await service report in respect of R2.
Yes.
List after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Lordship, I have a small favor regarding that earlier bail matter, Lordship. Kindly, Lordship, they may furnish this additional affidavit, Lordship, 1 copy, Lordship. They have not done it.
In that item number
Item number, Lordship, 6, Lordship.
5.
5,
In
Lordship.
item 5, you said the petitioner is directed to furnish a copy of the additional affidavit filed today to the office of the APP
Today, this,
within the course of the day.
Lordship. Obliged, Lordship. Thank you.
But please inform them
No,
that
sir.
this direction is given
Yes,
because
no,
it's given.
Item number 8, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
No, in item 5 also you inform the council. Do you
Lordship.
have a number?
Lordship.
You inform them,
Lordship.
otherwise they will not know.
Lordship.
Impleading. Other side. Who is appearing for the other side?
I'm proceeding.
Any objection to the impleading?
No.
Who do you want to implead?
The informant of the FIR on.
Informant of the FIR. The
Yes.
case is under what provision?
This, the criminal petition was filed under section 482 of CRPC. However, we had inadvertently missed out on including the informant as a party.
Sorry,
We had not included the informant as a party in the criminal petition.
Read with juvenile justice, section 12. Sorry,
Is it a POXO matter?
no, juvenile.
Juvenile justice, care of children under the protection of the guardian. And there is also a physical assault.
Here,
and-
the informant is required to be made a party.
Yes.
Okay.
Already implemented, I think. I suppose already implemented.
Impleaded.
Yes, I have received a copy also.
Impleaded.
And there is a,
Order.
in court record also, there is a copy. Implement copy, there is, in court record,
Impleadment copy. West Council, impleadment is done.
yes, that already done.
No, I don't think so. Have a look.
The case was last listed on 12th of April.
I don't
and
find, you
thereafter-
have a look. Otherwise, I'll pass the order. It's done,
Yes,
completed.
yes. implemented.
Where's the order? Where is the order for impleadment, Mr. APP? This
What?
is an application for your impleadment.
Yes,
Is there some confusion? Why is it so difficult for the councils to understand this code? This is an application for impleedment,
yes,
correct?
yes, there's no order.
There is no order. Then why are you saying that it is done? So.
Actually, I come across that in from court record, I've come across that, so that's why I thought it was already done. Because there is no any office nothing also.
There is nothing. So there is no order passed. So we shall implead then. Heard MS
T.Y. Bhutia.
T.Y. Bhutia. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr. G. Tado, learned APP for state respondent. Stop. This is an application for impleading the informant I, Shri Kannekshwar Sharma in Bomdila PS case number 18/2018 under section 342-307-511 of the IPC, read with section 23 of JJ Act 2000 as respondent number 2 in criminal petition number 49 of 2024, which is pending before this court. Stop. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that while filing the above mentioned criminal petition number 49 of 2024 before this honorable court, comma, the petitioner have inadvertently missed out on including the informant of the FIR in Bomdila PS case number 18 of 2018 as a party to the criminal petition number 49 of 2024. Stop. Therefore, this application is being filed to implead the informant Shri Kannekshwar Sharma as respondent number 2 in the said criminal petition number 49 of 2024. Stop. Mr. G. Tado, learned APP, fairly submits that he has received no instructions to oppose the said prayer. Stop. I have heard the submissions made at the bar and have perused the materials available on record. It appears that the presence of the informant is essential in effective disposal of the criminal petition. Stop. Accordingly, the prayer of our impleadment is allowed. Next para. As such, Shri Kannekshwar Sharma be impleaded as respondent number 2 in criminal petition number 49 of 2024. Stop. Let a copy of the amended cost title be furnished to the office of the registry to do the needful. With aforesaid observation, the IA stands disposed of. In the main case, do you want any order?
Yes, next date.
In the main case, issue notice to the newly impleaded respondent by registered post AD.
Initially, there was an interim prayer. However, that was not granted because the informant was not made a party. So if in case the respondent is made a party, then the interim may be considered because the criminal proceeding is pending before the.
So then I say list this matter after
After a
1 week,
week, after a week.
after 1 week.
All the
If you're-